Good morning guys, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Tayo awit sa Panginoon uli, Holy Spirit. Gagawin mo po kami sa aming awiting Spirit of the Living God. Spirit of the Living God, you burn your presence here. Spirit of the Living God, you burn your power here to heal us and to deliver us, Jesus the King, Jesus the King. Thank you guys, yan muna tayo. God bless all.